Initialize the value of a. Check if a is less than 100. If a is less than 100, add 100 to a. If a is greater than or equal to 100, subtract 100 from a. Print the value of a. End. Procedure. Open the IDE of your choice. Create a new Java project. Create a new Java class. Copy and paste the above code into your class. Run the program. Sudo code. Start. Set a equals 137. If a less than 100, then set a equals a plus 100. Else set a equals a 100. End if. Print a. End. Java code. Public class main. Public static void main, string, args. Int a equals 137. If a less than 100, a plus equals 100. Else, a equals 100. Closing curly bracket. System.out. Print ln, the value of a is plus a. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. Output. The value of a is 37.